This is a video going over a little intermittent problem we've had with this particular outlet. And what I found is that there's a minor manufacturing defect in the outlet itself that on some machines can cause it to be intermittent, so the motor will run or not run. And what it is that in the plug, there's two little tabs in there that touch the inside of the prong of the plug, and they don't look like they're formed quite right. So taking this outlet apart, it's very simple. It's got one screw that goes in the back, and then this slides out. Now, when I test fit it here, the ground is a nice snug fit, but when I look at these others, they're not quite pinching on the prongs here where it will make a really secure connection. So what I'm gonna do, which will solve the problem, is I'm gonna take these tabs and I'm gonna just bend them a little tiny bit so that they make good contact. They're not bent quite far enough. Now I don't want to bend it too far or that plug will get really hard to put in. So now I can test it. I've done that. I'm going to just test fit it to make sure. I haven't put that screw in yet, but if I bend it too much, which I may have on this one because it's, yeah, I think a little too much on this one, so I'm going to bend it back a little bit. And now when I plug it in, it's a nice tight fit. Yeah, that's what I want. That's perfect now. That's all it takes to do to fix it. It's not getting plugged in and out very much. You plug it in, you run your saw. But if it's not making good contact, and you can do what I'm doing, just removing the box and then take this off the back. You don't even have to take this whole thing out and slide it out and then bend it and then slide it back in. Now I've put it all together and it's a good tight fit, which is what we want. So we're making good contact on all three contacts. So that's all it is to fix this. And then certainly I'm gonna address it with our plug supplier to make sure that they change their mold for how those are bent.